Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, February 10th. This is our third day in level 6. Wednesdays are usually an asynchronous day. That means we will not meet together on Zoom as a class. However, I do have office hours on Zoom, and I will explain. First, you have to watch the video, this video. Now, for office hours. I have office hours tonight from 7 to 8 p.m. on Zoom. However, I will be meeting with each of you to find out 4 things. If you can sign in and navigate Schoology, are you in our Remind group and are you receiving messages from me? Can you access your CR, Carlos Rosario email? And if you know your Spark password, username and password. So this will not take long. I will set up a schedule with each of you to do this. Also, there is asynchronous work. Remember, we will not meet together as a class on Zoom. I will meet with you individually, but you still have work to do. So let's see what you have to do for today. You're going to do an information scavenger hunt. Remember, always read all of the directions before you begin the assignment. I will read it to you, and you will read it to yourself also. Now that you have spent 2 days in class, what are some things you remember that I explained? You are going to do a scavenger. You are going to go on a scavenger hunt to find the answers. What is a scavenger hunt? It is an activity where you are given questions or riddles and you have to search for the information. In this case, you will get some questions and look back at the introduction slideshow below. Remember, we went over this on Monday. Some things you will remember from yesterday also. So these are the questions you're going to answer and look for. If you remember some of them from your head, great. You can also look here. You can also look on our main page, class page. You are going to write your answers, type your answers here in the comment section. Number 1, answer. Number 2, type the answer. Number 3, type the answer. Number 4, type the answer. Number 5, type the answer and post. Remember, before you post, to always check for spelling. Okay? Reread what you type to make sure it makes sense. And then you click post. Okay? If you have any questions, you know how to find me. And I will see you guys in during office hours to figure out this information. And that's it. Good luck.